Thank you, Excellency. Excellency Rozan Roslani, Minister of Investment of Indonesia. Excellency Langga Hartarto, Coordinating Minister for Economic Affairs Indonesia. Excellency Mr. Ken Saito, Minister of Economic Trade and Industry of Japan. Professor Tetsuya Watanabe, President of the Economic Research Institute of ASEAN and East Asia. Excellency ASEC partner countries, and partners, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor to speak at the second Asia Zero Emission Community Ministerial Meeting. Thank you to our hosts, Indonesia and Japan, for organizing these events for us to come together with a shared vision to guide our nation towards a future where economic growth, energy security, and climate action work hand in hand. In Cambodia, with our present 62% of our generation mix coming from renewable energies already, our current trajectory is focused on shifting to low carbon energy sources with a pledge to reach 70% renewables by 2030. We are phasing out coal and enhancing our clean energy infrastructure, starting with a new 2,000 megawatt battery energy storage system next year and a 1,000 megawatt pump storage hydro project set for completion by 2028. Energy efficiency, the invisible fuel, is high on our agenda as well. We are catalyzing the development of energy service companies, opening new opportunities for energy management, auditing, and construction professionals. We're also making sure our policies in these areas are just and inclusive, ensuring that all vulnerable groups, especially women, are part of this transition. In championing the ASEAN Power Grid, APG, and working with like-minded partners, we are committed to realizing this vision of regional interconnection. It is our firm belief that the APG will become a fundamental driver of regional energy security and sustainability with an impact that is unparalleled. However, challenges remain in financing these initiatives, especially in regions where the need for climate change intervention is pressing. Emerging and developing Asia needs around 1.1 trillion US dollars each year for climate action, but current investments fall short by 800 billion US dollars annually. Transition finance is therefore essential for addressing infrastructure needs and overcoming regional challenges, like the high costs of sustainable debts. By improving data standards and creating consistent climate finance frameworks, Asia can attract more private investment and lower the cost of green projects. Moreover, it can facilitate new financial tools such as sustainability linked bonds and carbon markets that are crucial for advancing the region's low carbon transition. ASEC's efforts to scale up transition finance provide Asia with a practical pathway to contribute significantly to global decarbonization for sustaining economic growth. On these notes, we appreciate Japan's commitment to mobilizing 4,000 trillion yen transition finance for decarbonization across Asia. As we look at the broader impact of emissions in Asia, it is clear transport plays a role. Transport contributes around 31% of global greenhouse gas emissions in this region. In this context, the ASEC initiative to create sustainable fuel markets is key. With the anticipated growth in passenger vehicles, road fleets, aviation, and shipping across ASEC partner countries, there is a pressing need to decarbonize the transport sector as part of the global effort to transition away from fossil fuels. We support ASEC efforts to prioritize this. The decarbonization of the industrial sector is also critical for achieving regional climate goals, but it presents significant challenges due to the sector's high energy intensity and reliance on fossil fuel. To address these challenges, Southeast Asia needs to ramp up investments in low carbon technologies to achieve substantial emission reductions in line with the Paris Agreement targets. We appreciate ASEC's next generation industry initiative. for its role in developing carbon neutral industrial parks and reducing carbon emission in Southeast Asia automotive industry. Using advanced energy management system and CO2 emission visualizations, this initiative can help build an industrial sector that supports the region's low carbon objectives. We thank Japan for initiating ASIC to support realistic pathways that address regional challenges and redefine energy systems to be more inclusive, sustainable, and resilient. We thank our fellow partner countries, and we are grateful to AREA for setting up the ASIC Zero Emission Center as a policy platform to help ASIC partner countries to develop pathways to decarbonization. Cambodia reaffirmed its shared commitment to a sustainable future where economic growth and sustainability, environmental stewardship go in hand. The diversity of our approaches, rooted in the specific needs of each nation, will guide us toward achieving our common goal of net zero emission. We will move forward with resolve, ensuring that our collaborative efforts continue to bring tangible, positive outcomes. Thank you.